Hi everybody, this is Sabine's Taste and Alice are here in the kitchen. Today we're gonna make
Alphabet pancakes.
an alphabet pancake. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay. So to make alphabet pancake, we need a pancake mix. You can buy whatever you like. Pancake mix. Direction is on the box. I need milk, egg, one egg. I mean, one egg because my recipe I'm not making too much. I have some vanilla, my choice, some butter for the pan. I'm going to start by putting some butter. I put it on medium. Think that's good, Ari?
Yeah.
Is that good enough?
Probably too much.
Oh, she knows better. Not a pancake maker, really. Okay, let me put this extra here. So I said alphabet pancake. I'm using alphabet cookie cutters. I have two different ones. I'm gonna try which one is better. If this one is not good enough, I'll do this one. The butter's melting. It's okay, they can see it. Okay, it's melting. And I'm going to mix my batter. I'm gonna add my egg first. So the direction is 2 cups of the mix, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk. I'm making half of it, so 1 cup of the mix, 1 egg, half cup of milk, and just because I put an egg in it, I will add some vanilla. Well, we can put it aside. That's okay because I'm not done yet. Okay, now mixing. Je dis à ma fait un pancake alphabet. Et comme si un pancake alphabet. Ou bien un alphabet pancake. Ma chez boîte ça, m'a servi avec. Nous cacher boîte nous voulons. Instruction sous boîte là. Sinon l'île, ça ou ka fait gâteau avec ou ka fait pancake avec. So il y a 2 instructions. Et il dit nous à la fin, si vous avez besoin d'un pancake qui est mince, vous mettez plus milk, plus lait, désolé, plus lait. If you want your pancake to be thinner, you add more milk. Okay. What does it say about the? Is it less than a cup? Less than half of a cup? For, yeah, less than half of a cup. Give me the half of a cup, please. The smallest one. Juste après même que légumes, parce que c'est mixé. De nous, ça m'a mixé. Okay, should be good. So that's 1/4 of a cup. So I'm gonna put less than that of my batter and I'm gonna put it in the pan. Pi petit que ça. Ma mette pi bas là et puis ma vider dans moule là. Let's see Ali. You prêt?
What?
Okay. En quantité comme ça. Supposé bon moins. Oh, ma pas obligé de mettre plus. I made plus. I'm putting more so the pancake can be at least the pancake. Round thingy. Thingy majigger. The kind of pancake is like when you're making eggs. Because I'm just gonna wait for it so I can flip it over. The flipping over could be trouble. No, it's not ready yet. So ma ton pancake là pour virer li. Huh. So the pancake is a little bit thick. This is one. The next one I will make less. Or maybe I can add just a little bit of milk to my batter. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, we'll come back for more pancakes. And then we're gonna get our tray ready because there will be a tray of fruits and toppings. You can use the topping of your choice. Yogurt, peanut butter, jelly, foods that you like. If you want pancake syrup, you can use that. I don't have pancake syrup, but I can use other syrup that I make, like my handmade syrup I can use. We'll come back for more. Okay, I'm making another pancake for you to see. I added more milk because I felt like it needed more milk. It's like almost in between medium and 5. I'm gonna let it cook like that. And Ali's getting my foods ready for me so we can make a beautiful tray for children. And then you can some people say they serve it for breakfast and they even serve it for dinner because children love it. You can even write the name of your child with the cookie cutters. Make it more interesting, or you can make them write if they can. You can just give them the letters, they'll cut it. They don't have to know how to write to do that. Just give them the letters and they will cut their names. They will be so excited about that. I'm waiting for the pancake to see when I can flip it over. It's almost ready because it's shaking. Just a minute. I have Miss Minnie. That's Mr. Mickey Mouse. And Miss Minnie. Mickey, j'ai besoin plus de croissants. Turn it. Almost. Just almost ready. And I have many things, like as you can see, because flipping a pancake over is not easy. That's why I'm using different things. Whatever works, whichever works. If they tell you flipping a pancake is ready, you can say that's not true. Yay, I did it. I did it. Okay, I just wanted to flip one over for you to see. Okay, Okay, I'm back. I already cut Sabine. Hashtag Sabine and Ali. Now I'm going to cut Ali's name. See? Hashtag Sabine and Ali. That's what I'm gonna write with the pancake. You use alphabet cookie cutters. See how beautiful it is? Now I'm going to cut Alisa's name. I'm not gonna cut Alisa. I will cut just Ali. A-L-Y. How do you spell your name? A. A. L. You know, when you're cooking, the first thing you do, you wash your hands. Okay? You wash your hands with soap. The dish soap is a good one because of the scent. You don't need something that has a different smell when you're cooking, because there are things that you touch. You keep your nails short so they can stay clean, and you wash your hands. Sabine and Ali. That's what I cut. It's backward. Yep. Sabine, hashtag Sabine and Ali. I will take pictures. When I take pictures, I post on Facebook. I have Sabine's Taste on Facebook, and I have Sabine's Taste on Instagram. This is where I put my pictures. It's pretty. I will come back to show you the whole tray. Everything is ready for your children, and you can put the rest. You can put more letters in a bowl. You can put more. Go back. You can put more letters in a bowl. I didn't cut more than that, but you can cut as many letters as you want, so your children or your child can have fun. So this one is good for me because I can hold it, and then when I cut the letters, they just stay right there. They don't stick into that one. The other ones, the letters stick. The letters stick in there. I had to move them. I said no, I'm using this instead. So we will come back. You'll see the whole tray. Stay tuned. I'm showing you the tray right here. I have jelly, peanut butter, apple, and I made my own jam yesterday for something else. I put some too, and I have some Hershey chocolate syrup, and I have the alphabet pancake, hashtag Sabine and Ali. I have a banana, and I have some apples, some apple pieces I cut. Not even a half an apple of an apple, just less than that. So this is, you prep, you do your preparation. Pancake mix, you don't even have to make pancake from scratch, so you just use a mix that you like I said earlier, and then you get your breakfast ready. It looks pretty. If it looks pretty, chances are they will try it. Okay, so we made the alphabet pancake, and then stay tuned for more recipes. More recipes are coming. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and then pictures will be on Instagram and Facebook at Sabine's Taste. Sabine's Taste on Facebook, Instagram at Sabine's Taste. Thanks for watching.